So for today's video, we'll be having another sample problems for mechanical engineering enhancement. Let's start. So for number 25, so g, which is dx over dt is equals to x minus 1. X sub 1 x 0 which is equals to 1. So solution xt is equals to 1. So 1 minus 1, that will result in 0. So from there, if x sub t is equals to 1, then dx over dt is equals to 0. So the answer would be A, which is x sub t is equals to 1. So next, number 26. So we have given y is equals to x squared and another y is equals to 0 and x equals 2. Solution would be pi, which is derivative with that, which has a upper and lower min limits of 2 and 0, x squared to the power of 2 dx. So simplify it, we need to find integral. So pi 2 limit of 0 x4 over dx, which is equals to pi x5 over 5 squared, 2, which is the upper limit in 0, which is equals to 32 pi 32 over 32 pi over 5. So the answer would be C. So 32 over 5. Then number 28. So by number 28, so we have given yn is equals to 12 plus cosine n pi plus sine 2n minus 1 pi over t. So if n is odd, the probably is cosine n pi is equals to negative 1 over n, which is equals to negative 1. And also sine 2n minus 1 pi over 2 will be equal to 1. Thus y 12 minus 1 plus 1, that will result in 12. Answer would be A. So number 29. So we have given is y x squared. Y is equals to x squared, and also y minus 2x equals to 0. So solution would be y equals 2x and x squared is equals to 2x. So from there, we have plug in the value, which is x times x minus 2 equals 0. So we have a value of x 0 and 2. So the RO, which is equals to 2x, and outside reduce and inside reduce is x squared. So V is equals to pi 2 and the limit of 0, 2x squared minus x squared to the power of 2 dx. So need to find the derivative of that to result in pi 2 and 0 limits with 4x squared minus x to the power of 4 dx. So pi 4x cubed and over 3 minus x to the power 5 over 5, the limit of 2 0, that will result in pi 32 over 3 minus 32 over 5. To simplify it, that will result in v is equals to pi 64 over 50. So the answer would be A, 64 pi over 50.